Well, made it to Grand Teton. That's beautiful. Had to stop. That one was Jackson Lake Overlook, if anyone was wondering. Check out those peaks. It's like 13,000 feet for the highest one. That's pretty cool. I got some souvenirs. I got a sticker, another sticker. This one's of a Jeep, but it says Grand Teton National Park on the top, and then Wyoming on the plate. That's pretty cool. And then I got a cool patch with a bear on it, so I better see a bear. Yo guys, look at all these frickin' buffalo. Those two are fighting right there. But there's some in the road, that's why there's like a line of traffic here. That's the most buffalo I've ever seen. Or bison, whatever. Too bad they weren't bears. I'm just kidding. I feel like Bob Ross painted these at one point. Well guys, I found another campsite. I was beginning to doubt myself because there was a lot of spots taken on the way up here, but here's my spot. Pretty freaking epic for being free. It was a little on a hill, so I used my traction boards and leveled it out. It's not perfect, but I'll take it. All right, now it's perfect. Tetons. Hell yeah. If anyone wanted to know what the back looked like, we got dirty clothes in the laundry basket. I got a jack and stuff like that in there. I got cooking stuff in there. And my air inflator and deflator, even though I'm not gonna really use it on this trip. Water, Mountain Dew. Running low on those already, but I'm almost done with the trip. Yeah, there's an outlet back here, but I've been too afraid to use it because I don't have like a jump pack and I don't want to run the battery dead. Got extra diesel, spare tire with the trash bag. All these flip up, which is pretty sick. You just gotta go like this and that, and then it locks right there, and then I could easily get into the side, which is pretty cool. Quick guys, look at the sunset. Sorry guys, I can't stop taking pictures and videos. Hey guys. Having a great night. Got the Tetons right there. Got the fire there. Got the tent with the light on there. Got some music playing. You can't definitely see it, but Big Dipper's right there. And then there's a full moon. Again, it's huge. It's coming up. So, great night. It's cold though. Morning. Full moon's over the Tetons now. I am cold. But I couldn't miss that. Wow. Would you just look at it? So friggin' cool. What's up, guys? Just having a bagel. Had a couple mandarin oranges. It's still cold. Like my hands are like frozen from last night. It was like 39 this morning when I woke up, but yeah, it's cold. I'm still just taking my sweet time. I haven't really done anything except for take pictures this morning, and then I sat in here and I circled things on my map I want to see. So I guess I was productive. Because I picked the map up yesterday and I'm gonna try and hit all this stuff today. Well, not all of it, but I want to hit a portion of it. XJ. Made it to our first stop, Mormon Row. It's pretty cool. Used to be a little community here. I bet that's the most scenic shit anyone's ever taken, right there. That pink house looks like it could be lived in yet. That barn's pretty cool. Still got like a stable up. Here's another little homestead. That's pretty sick. Hey guys, I already stripped layers, as you can see. It's still 48 degrees, but I already changed into shorts and stuff because the sun's like 70 degrees, so it's a pretty cool view though. I gotta remember to put on sunscreen because I'm getting a little red and my neck's feeling a little burnt. Alright, I'm actually gonna do a hike today. It's Taggart Lake. It's like 4 miles, so I'm gonna go do that. That is so dang cool. Cool little falls. You even get to see some horses on this hike. Now I know what all that poop's from. Thought it might have been a bear. Just horses. Well, we made it. You can see the peaks in the water too. That's pretty cool. That was a quick, fun trail. The first half was maybe easy, moderate, and then the other was easy, but this is pretty sick, walking through the spruce trees, or whatever those are. Oh crap, literally. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, this feels like my first taste of fall in like 2 years. Yeah, it's like nice and cool, like 60 degrees, it's 55, something like that. Let the leaves changing colors. I miss it. That's Jenny Lake. This is like the boat launch part, like the north side. So that's where the GPS took me, but I think I gotta go to the other side. Got the Jeep all tucked away in the trees. Alright, those parking lots were full, so I'm doing the Scenic drive instead. Supposed to be a lake overlook too up here too. I got sunscreen in my eyes, so that's why I'm watering. And I bent my nail back on my finger, but you know, we're doing great. Bloody beautiful, isn't it? Alright, we're headed up Signal Mountain now. There's a road that goes to the summit, so we're gonna go check that out. This Jackson Point overlook. Kind of cool because you can see the lake and then the mountains. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm getting pretty tired. It's only 1, but I think I got sunburnt the other day. You could probably hear it in my voice. I think I'm a little dehydrated. I probably shouldn't push it too hard. Especially with like getting cold last night too, that probably didn't help anything. But might have got a little sick, but we're gonna push on for a little bit. I'm gonna check out maybe Oxbow Point and see what that's like. All right. Hey, I made it through 3.5 national parks without getting sick. I say that's pretty good. Alright. This is the actual top of Signal Mountain. Figured I might as well go all the way up. Maybe that's why they call it Signal Mountain. Let's see. Full bars. Jackson Lake Dam overlook. Here she is. That's pretty. I bet people come and look for wildlife here. That's cool. Alright, hey guys. Got to my campsite. It was early, so there's a few spots available. We're tucked away in some trees, which is pretty cool. There's a fire pit out here, but I don't have any firewood anyway. And then, yeah. No one's around me yet, but I think this is a pretty cool spot. Good morning. It was a really good night. It was a lot better than last night. You know, 10 degrees, 15 degrees makes a big difference when you're camping in a tent. But, yeah. I'm feeling a lot better, by the way. We're cooking up some chicken noodle soup. That'll only make me feel better. Getting some vitamin C in. Having some oranges. That's like my go-to now. I bought a bag of these and I'm already like almost done with it. I have like 3 oranges left. Hitting the rest of Grand Teton, and then we're gonna start driving. And I'm not sure where we're gonna end up, but it's like says it's a 15-hour drive back to Phoenix from here. I'm guessing it'll be more closer to 17, just because I'm not gonna be going 80 miles an hour. But yeah. We're just cooking up some soup. I'm gonna eat all that and the broth, and then we should be feeling good for the rest of the day. I actually feel so much better. I didn't sleep a whole lot during the day yesterday. I got into my tent at like 3, and then I think I slept for 30 minutes. And then whoever is in charge of this dispersed campground came around and started banging on all the bear boxes because they didn't fit right or something, and he was outside of mine for like 30 minutes, and I was like, oh my god. So I just stayed up till like 10 or something, watched some more TV show, watched more of the Ragnarok show. That's really good. And then I went to bed, and then I slept pretty much all night. I woke up this morning. I feel like I've been hearing some turkeys or something. What are you? There's something crawling around. Stay away from my food. Anyway. Who's blocking the signal at Signal Mountain? Come on. Woo! Here's the Snake River overlook. Apparently this one goes through Yellowstone, Grand Teton, and to the Pacific Ocean. So it joins with the Columbia River. That's cool. Apparently there's bald eagles here. I haven't seen any, but I usually see them in the Midwest, like one every day, but I think it's crazy how people down here, they see a bald eagle and freak out. It's like, I see them all the time. I could see where this would be a good area for them though. What's down there? Still didn't see a moose. It's kind of sad. Oh well. This guy took this picture in 1942. And this was his setup. If only he could see my little GoPro I'm filming on, that's way better quality. People rafting too. I'm gonna have like 600 pics of the Tetons by the end of the trip, but hope you guys enjoy. A bunch of different angles. This is Schwabacher Landing. Check out those reflections. Pretty cool. One day, guys. I got bigger tires than him though. Oh, that's awesome TRX though. I don't know about black though. Alright guys, I know what those little things that are running around are. They're like the little muskrat little things with their tail sticking straight up. I don't know what they're called, but I've seen them running back and forth across this road a few times, and I'm pretty sure that's what was running around my camp because they were fast. So that's it for Grand Teton though. I'm not gonna see anything else. I'm just gonna head back towards Phoenix. It's weird, I could go to Vegas and go to Phoenix with I had like 10 minutes, but I'm gonna just go through Utah again. But yeah, I might camp tonight, we'll see. If I do, I'll continue the vid for a little bit longer. Peace. Driving through Jackson Hole, this is pretty cool. Very busy for a Wyoming town. Lord, if you love me, you'd flip that motherfucker right now. This is the biggest set of blue nuts I've ever seen. I had to drive around the parking lot just to see that. The whole thing's made out of antlers. That's pretty cool. I don't know, guys. I might have to put Wyoming on my list for places to travel nurse to, because I'm friggin' loving all the pine trees. Really beautiful. Woo! 20K. Ain't worth nothing now. We made it, boys. Thanks for watching. Got there at 2:45 in the morning. No problems at all. All right, peace.